In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed Substack on your website. We'll connect your Substack newsletter to your Squarespace site so visitors can subscribe directly without leaving your page. I'll walk through each click slowly, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few tips as we go so everything works smoothly. First, head over to substack.com and log into your account if you're not already signed in. You should land on your main Substack dashboard where you usually write or manage your newsletter. From here, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different options like your posts, stats, and other settings. Next, click on Settings in that left-hand menu. This is where Substack keeps all of the configuration options for your publication. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see several sections that control different aspects of your newsletter. Look for the section labeled Growth. Go ahead and click on Growth. This area is all about tools that help you grow your subscriber list. Within the growth section, scroll until you find something called Embeddable Subscribe button. This is the tool that lets you add a Substack sign-up form to other websites like Squarespace. There should be a preview of the button and some code beside it. All you need to do here is click the copy button for the Embeddable Subscribe button. That copies a small chunk of HTML and JavaScript code to your clipboard. This is the code we'll be pasting into your website in a moment. Now that you have the code copied, open a new tab in your browser and go to squarespace.com. Log in if you're not already logged in. Once you're in your Squarespace account, you'll see a list of your sites. Find the site where you want the Substack subscribe form to appear. When you see it, select that site and click on it to open the site dashboard. Inside your site dashboard, look for the option to edit your website. Click Edit Site. This will take you into the visual editor where you can change pages, sections, and blocks. Navigate to the specific page and section where you'd like the Substack form to show up. This might be your homepage, a blog page, or a dedicated newsletter sign-up page. When you're in the right section, move your mouse to where you want the form to appear and click Add Block. This brings up the block menu, which shows all the different content types you can insert, like text, images, and more. From the block options, click Embed. The Embed block is what lets you insert external content or custom code into your Squarespace layout. After you choose Embed, you'll see a few different choices for how to embed content. Look for the option called Code Snippet and click that. This tells Squarespace that you want to paste in your own code. Next, click on Embed Data. This opens up a small code editor or text field where you can paste the code you copied from Substack earlier. Click into that field and paste the code. Once it's pasted, you should see a preview of your Substack subscribe button or form, depending on your template and styling. Save or apply your changes, then exit the editor and view the live page to confirm that the Substack embed is visible and working. That's all there is to it. You've successfully embedded your Substack subscribe form on your Squarespace website, making it easier for visitors to join your newsletter directly from your site.